I want her to be closer to me and you.
Alright, so babe, I understand that, but remember, we want her to get certain discipline. And that school, it provide the discipline. A boarding school, and not like she go up and down or whatever.
So, she not go get discipline at home. What? Town school now no discipline?
Babe, I know that me I try to communicate. And why you be so difficult?
I'm not difficult, Camille. I just the fact that I did really want her for their town. I could have carried her to school and all of them things there.
Babe, I understand that. And I really wish I did. Yeah, up here, we can go school, we can bring her and but look at it this way. We can travel to Trelawney because she have to come up weekends and go back home, and so Friday evening she released from school, and on Sunday she go back.
That is not enough. I need to spend more time with her. You know, understand what I try to tell you? You understand? It's not going to work out. We are going to try. Alright, here what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to see if I can get a transfer for her.
Yeah, you can have the conversation with her, but just remember that Westwood was one of our choice. So wish you luck.
Yeah. And that girl is stubborn, you know. But she will understand. You try to talk her down. You see me? But I'm glad say she passed with a good school still. Girl have brains like her daddy.
What you really try to say? Me not have brain?
Just easy, man. I want to face the 2 hour brain put together.
So she takes singing from you and you want her to have your brain too, so she must have nothing for me?
Then that me I tell her say it's just a combination and the 2 hour makes you so brilliant.
That's your absence.
Alright. So what we are gonna do next?
Well, remember we have a wedding to plan.
Yeah.
And Nicey now come.
Then we not done so that already?
Me know say she have your ticket.
How much if you have my ticket?
Just know say she now come.
Come. I'm gonna look some food.
Me hungry.
You never want it. So now you gotta take it by force.